everyone. This is a series of videos named Take Your Sales Off for the Father's Day. In today's video, you will learn how to use some third-party apps that can help to build a high-converting sales page for Father's Day. To increase the CRO of your landing pages, here's a list of PageFly's top picks for your Father's Day promotion. Zuarix, cross-sell and bundles. InstaFeed, Instagram feed by Mint Studio. For visitors with products in their carts, you can take advantage of their cart content with a product related to what's in your cart section. Depending on the nature of the product in the cart, you can apply upselling, cross-selling or bundle selling in a flexible manner. In holiday seasons like Father's Day, the bundle selling will be a good choice. Zuarix, Cross-Sell and Bundles app is a third-party app that has integration with PageFly and is very easy to use. After downloading the Zuarix app, you can create the bundle offer for your customers right away. In this sample, I will set up a bundle for Father's Day with a bundle name as Father's Day Special Offer. And for the bundle title, I will add Collect the Best Gift Ever for Your Father. Choose the bundle type as a percentage with a discount amount 10%. Remember to select the Keep Showing When All Bundle Items in Cart option to make the most of the bundle offer. Then, select products for the bundle offer. Make sure to copy the shortcode here to apply in the PageFly editor page. Now, let's check the effect on live view. Social proof originally is a psychological concept dictate that people will follow the actions of the masses. Social proofs, if done right, can work wonder to your conversion rate. Let's see how you can do it. It highly recommends using the InstaFeed, Instagram feed by Mint Studio for social proof. The setting in the app is also very easy. You just need to connect InstaFeed with your Instagram account and setting for the layout type. After finish settings in InstaFeed, you can go back to PageFly Editor to adjust the heading for the Review Social Proof section. Showing media on your Instagram and letting customers read all the reviews there can build trust and credibility with your products. Above are some apps you can use with PageFly to increase CRO for your Father's Day promotion. Let's check other videos of this series to make the most from PageFly in this holiday sale season. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.